Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Etsy seller listings using Etsy app, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Etsy app on your mobile device. Log into your Etsy seller account if you haven't already. Navigate to the shop tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select listings from the menu options. Here, you'll see all your current product listings. To back up your listings, tap on the listing you want to save. Scroll down to the bottom of the listing details. Select the Edit option to access your listing's information. Copy the title of your listing. Now, return to the main listings screen. Make note of any tags associated with the listing. Tap on Shop again, and then select Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Info and Appearance. Take a screenshot of your shop pop. Return to the main listings screen. Repeat the copying process for any other listings you wish to back up. Consider creating a document on your device for organization. Paste the copied information from each listing into the document. Include relevant details like titles, descriptions, tags, and images. If you have multiple images for a listing, save each image individually. After saving the information for all listings, review your document for completeness. Make sure it is properly formatted for easy reference in the future. Finally, regularly update your backup document whenever changes are made to your listings. That concludes the backup process for your Etsy seller listings using the Etsy app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.